then they treat you very bad. Charlie, then they treat you very, very bad.
Busia Nansei the Echo Swan say a year president elect for United States of America, a year Donald Trump. The deportation home command it is for days now will be AD. Now ye be busa say I didn't abe issue kese because deportation on and ye first time ye deporting California that be the country beyond most of the countries a ye pan say ye show say what could ye be na ye check your papers and na ye check your documentation ni who say no who need the right document I say utina will be mine swa ukoye bone a ye bewo wetiko it most of the cases aya na ye who say ye deporting go for but a common thing Danny Daniel you deporting go for bebre. But this particular one with Donald Trump abe issue because a mass deportation and mass deportation no has to do with a lot of countries for mature immigrants ewo US honum numbers no edorso omo every ho by illegal means. Enti ene woni paper bia woni nkrata bia wo documentation enye ana wo de nenam honum ebi atena ho 10 years ebi atena ho 5 years ebi atena ho so many years eno ana Donald Trump say ohia sankofo ne ewo US obi enti obepam mo nyina edo mabom krom na this thing odinka kan before say yeah best when in as president no odinka kan yenti ne no masem.
All illegal entry will immediately be halted, and we will begin the process of returning millions and millions of criminal aliens back to the places from which they came.
Said ye Donald Trump e kan no say obi make sure say obi a wote ne mind so illegally obepam amwako krum ko ne kobo obra ewu krom enye ne krom ho ana obaba betina wo far right channel and right means ema metina ho na most of the countries are omo fall victim e was mass deportation ya e koso e US no Ghana Dimuntintima. And then I am so much interested in Ghana's own because I'm a Ghanaian. Oh yes. And then I know that yeah, arehosem. Yes, in as much as a arehosem also. A quite be so no or right say or ma or moba back because one far good means any run chrome. And one for good means uncle baby, I say every country is governed by law. What I say, country bia wo ade a ohia ansa no wama wawura ne manu. Enti se waba illegally dia. All right, say oye dia oye no, but the number that's to see better and also trace about over 6,000 people. That is about yeah, the actual number I got was 6,200 immigrants Ghana fo achese omo a year US honoma omo nkrata enkeja chese they entered illegally and by so doing nkofo bi omo koho for visits and then with the visits the yenim say 6 months no so a was all back and no one ma back require was all pay lawyers and then the means until you overstay you have to find lawyers and then you do the right thing what I say but nkofo bebree ra ho a almost 6 months na twam maybe atena ho yes and still they are there what I say nti no e basa na che say wo bu omumra ne so obi agu nani go so but Donald Trump say ono de on man nani so and most of the bloggers are they're saying that nkofo a ye deport o mama o mabane eyo o ma o makodi bone or more criminal records and I ye deport omo for now but that's not the case and yes sanity say bia obi a wakokum nipa pain and I said baby once ye be hia wo and I say omo be hu say woni nkrata e tre say wo ye obi a wo enter omo country ne legally no nko ade ye nya chope ye do be kone akohwehwem ye be detain no ni ahwehwem ehwehwem ne hu say yes you enter the country illegal by illegal means that is what the actual thing is. It's no anomuye necessary. And then for the media so the asem na when the people so they are done serious people so my uncles or more over the years be more than 10 years 20 years 15 years and they've done nothing for them anomuye nkrata bi and omo dey see e bo maba ebi mo so eyem hwehwe omo mo so kujem fi say saa nkurɔfoɔ yi a ɛwɔ hɔ yi a wɔkyerɛ sɛ illegal means wɔde bra hɔ yi, ebinom nso hustle really hard a wɔde take care of wɔn family back home on. Nti ayɛ mixed reactions, ebi wɔ hɔ, ebi ani agye, ba ne nyinaa mu no ɛyɛ awerɛhosɛm paa kyerɛ sɛ ɛnyɛ asɛm ketewa. Ɔhwɛ wo screen no so a video bi ɛretwa gu wɔ hɔnom a ɛyɛ some immigrants a yɛde chain agugu wɔn nan ne wɔn nsa a yɛde wɔn kɔ, and this particular one no is heartbreaking because wohwɛ a ɛyɛ te sɛ deɛ wɔn akɔdi bɔne bi a sɛ yɛrekɔ akɔku wɔn bi wate aseɛ ama ayɛ awerɛhosɛm sɛ wokɔtena obi man so na w'ani na, and mind you yɛma wakɔ a yɛnka nkyerɛ sɛ kɔ ne kɔpake wo nneɛma ho. So if you have any money saved, like wode asie baabi wɔ baabi a wote a aka wo ntaare bi a wo nneɛma bi a sometimes wɔtumi consider the nneɛma ma mo, but in this case looking at how I do wɔn and according to the reports that I've gathered no, yɛse yɛde wɔn military plane ɛna ɛyɛ deportation no, that is ɛnyɛ the normal thing say bi a yɛkɔ akɔpɛ plane bi agada mu nyinaa de makɔ in a way o dabi military what I say nti yɛde mo kɔ ano asɛ from ne yɛde wakɔdu kom. Sɛsi a reporter yɛka ne yɛnsa ka ɛkyerɛ sɛ Mexico president ɛno pɛ ɛne president I think Colombia ɛna say nkurɔfoɔ na yɛde wɔn aba no ɔmma saa plane ne lande wɔn hɔ nti wɔn nsa mfa wɔn nkɔ back. It's like the way they are treating their people all in the name of deporting them no. President n'ani ngye ho. It's like I say mama na yɛte sɛ wɔn akɔdi awu, wɔn akɔyɛ criminal activity, like something that is so intense. It's one penny. But for now, you can't say be a Ghana ni ebi akojo ana kofi aba because you're deported no. It's me guso amede many ebi a trip but a hosem pa sisi ano your best say baby biara wo as Ghanaian no dem mpaibo betai. Yen nuama omo fall victim or side we and we know that once the deportation is still ongoing because air cost of no ebe do yeso ne do yeso ye de omo beba ye de omo ba omo beba betina Ghana eja welcome ne de bema omo because enye sie wie metete wo media no so senkofo che se hyedem empie nipa ne hyedem a obedi dien. The most question you people should be asking yourself ne say nipa no hyedem a obedi dien. What you say na say? And there is this video of a year when Kofoe can say, and I wish a day man, and you, and the Bimuso Case, man for be my hints, a trace a Ghana for Bisha, Africa for the attire, you do baby any pabone. Looking at the way this deportation thing is, it's like on one casa, entire places so. Into oh idea, how long are you going to hide? For as long as your papers ain't intact, and idiot, you do beba. What you say? Now, one major concern and raising on the media that I want to discuss with you people is Senko say, dear in Ghana ye. Although there are lots of countries involved, but if you move hoko munipa ba could be or munipa too. Most of the countries now, nipa name also, but I had to say Ghana, Nigeria, your number no was true, and then other African countries numbers no massive what I say, but we Ghanaians no major concern and for raising is a day as Ghanaians. What I say, ama the number of people are quite stranded one for my son is a bit, and people are saying that you paying for no man so. Any idea yes something fully a your man di or mine so Ghana for your imperative ya ye pe obi die into Danny then you be stranded will be many. This thing that is going on. Obi a or legal documentation, obi a papers ye intact e US ho. Yempa movie. Dabi. Obi a ebe pamoni biya ye obi a o papers enye intact. Into obi a illegally only papers there. Now they're shooting say over fee. Once I Mexico for any be for the Colombia for the other South Americans ne man for air cornedy. Now they are shooting say enche bedu so. Edu so na se wo papers near intact. You are coming home. But as a country, as Ghanaians, what are we going to do to help say young for encore amount for my so bebre? Because yet ha somewhere I think I saw a video on the 8th of January 2025 here. Abrofo bi jubilate say omanya citizenship ya mo papers yeah. Right now omo belong it to say omo betena Ghana say omani age omo jubilate sa video no show screen this one. Etwagu abrofo ye ni age. Enti se broni free no kom timi betena ha ma n'ani gye ma ye ma ne papers ma n'ani gye a. What is stopping us from saying see betena yensi ekuo mama ye ni age? Although ye said ye kana e danya nipa ye betu kwaya ko bi man so. But ye tu kwaya ko bi man so ye make sure say ye gather the right documents. Said be ya ye ho kwakire da achi binti. Ene ana Donald Trump eyo ewo US. Ochina yinim baby ebisi se Canada, se Australia, se he. Enti ye be stress ye be yen Ghana for nankasa ye betutu ye nioma yi. What I say? Said ye be ya dachi bi ne enkonkɔ ye se ye nkɔfo bɛkɔ akɔka na de bia ye bɛpam ye na afei e de awerɛhoɔ abɛhyɛ abusua no bi mu ɛne ɛyɛ nipa na ɔmbɛfɔ ne victim no na sɛ de bia Ghana yɛgyina baabi a yɛgyina nti yɛbɛsrɛ sɛ yɛma yɛni ɛnkɔ de wa yɛsi atutu yɛ anammɔn ho yɛn prioritize yɛ nneɛma yɛn de Ghana busie yɛma ne nya ade ɛbɛhia yɛ sɛde bɛyɛ bɛboa na ɔma Ghana ɛtumi akɔ n'anim. But for now bidi m'ani di akyire sɛ gebia Ghana for 14 a yɛde ɔmo bɛba no ɛno nso mega da information no na me de aba abɛso but for now deɛ ɛkɔ so ɛwɔ US ne sɛ ɛyɛ Donald Trump say wɔyɛ mass deportation a kyɛ sɛ ɛne countries bebree afɔle victim a Ghana nso di mu tintiman ankasa. Bidin ɛde na ne yɛka asantoa makram.